Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the topic notice writing. Today I will tell you about notice and about its format also. What is notice? A notice is a written or printed form of information which is given to a large number of people, a group of students also, informing them about coming events. That is notice. Now let's come to next point. Whenever we write notice, we have to keep some important points in our mind. Now the first point is, a notice is always be enclosed in a box like this. Now the next point is brief description. A notice is always in brief. It means unnecessary matter is not used. Relevant matter is always used. Now the third point is simple and formal language. We have to use simple and formal language in a notice so that everyone can understand easily. Now the next point is, we should not exceed 50 words. It means word limit should not be 50 words. Now the next point, when we write notice, sentence should be in passive form of voice. It means while notice writing, passive voice should be used. Now the next point is here, while notice writing, personal pronoun should not be used like I, we, us, our. These type of words are not used. We always used third person like he, she, it, they. Now the next point is here, format of a notice. Now I'm telling you about its format. According to the rule, we have to draw a box. And first point is here, at the top we have to write the name of institution and organization. And the next point is here, notice. We have to write the word notice, N-O-T-I-C-E. We have to write it in capital letters. This word indicates us that we are writing notice. And the next point is date. We have to mention here date. For example, today is 27th July 2020. So according to British format, we have to write 27th July, July 2020. Sometimes it happens in the classroom. I observe that some students like this, 27. No, this is the wrong way. And we have to follow right way, that 27 July 2020. Like this. And the next point, we have to give a suitable heading or title here, and on which a notice is based. The next point is relevant content. This is the most important point here. When we write notice, the starting of a notice should be in a proper way. Like this, it is informed to all the students. This is to inform all the members. There are some members of a club and etc. and all. And the next point is here, when and where. It means the next point is here, when we write notice, when we informing the students about any competition, any activity, that we have to write like this, this competition will be held on Saturday at 10 a.m. at till 11 a.m. like this. We have to mention here, we have to write here venue, time, day and date also. And the purpose, and we have to write the purpose behind it. And at the end of a notice, and we also mention last date like this, that the students will give their names till this date, that date, next week, like this. And the end of a notice, we have to write our name and signature also. and designation also. Designation, it means on which post we are working, like the head girl of the school, the head boy of the school, principal of school, like this. So this is the format of a notice, and I hope you understood it, and this will help you in your notice writing. Thank you.